Hello, my name is Amy Wethington, and I did write a book, um, Project Paranormal. It's kind of a mixture of a young adult science fiction. It has some fantasy in it. It's a first book, so it doesn't disqualify me from trying to place in the Writer of the Future contest, which I enjoy dreaming about. Um, I did complete the Writers of the Future online writing workshop. I think I first noticed it on the forum, and I noticed that some people had posted reviews, and I was intrigued. And I will show you my certificate as proof. It was a blast. I really enjoyed doing this workshop, and I can't believe it was free. I think that it did help me increase my skills. I certainly did enjoy watching Scott Card and Tim Powers and Dave Farland impart their knowledge. I also enjoyed reading the essays written by L. Ron Hubbard, and I would definitely recommend it to others. It did help me write a couple of short stories, and like I said, I am still working on mastering the short story technique.